Hey everybody, today I'm here to talk about Joint Genesis, a supplement that could totally change the way you take care of your joints and overall mobility. If you're here, I'm guessing you're dealing with joint pain, stiffness, or you just want to give your joints a little extra support. Well, I've got some great info to share with you, so make sure to stick around until the end of the video, alright? Joint Genesis is a joint health supplement that's packed with natural ingredients designed to support your joints and reduce discomfort. If you want to feel more flexible and mobile and reduce that joint pain, this could be exactly what you've been looking for. And if you decide you want to try it out after this video, I'll leave the official website link right below in the description box. It's a click away, and that's where you can purchase it safely, knowing you're getting the real deal. When you buy from the official website, you can also rest assured that if you ever need a refund, that's the place to go. You're covered, no worries there. So what makes Joint Genesis so effective? Well, it's packed with ingredients that are known to improve joint health and reduce pain. One of the key ingredients is Mobile, a patented hyaluronic acid complex that helps to lubricate your joints, which is crucial for better movement. It also contains boswellia and ginger, which have natural anti-inflammatory properties. These ingredients work together to reduce swelling and stiffness so you can feel more comfortable and active. Joint Genesis is a really simple supplement to take. All you need to do is take 1 capsule a day with a glass of water. That's it. And the best part? You'll start noticing the benefits in a few weeks. But if you really want to get the best results, I recommend sticking with it for at least 3 to 6 months. That's when you'll really start to see how it helps your joints feel better and move more freely. Now, I know some of you might be wondering if Joint Genesis is safe to use. The answer is yes. It's made with 100% natural ingredients, so there are no harsh chemicals or side effects. It's safe to use long-term and will support your joint health without any negative impacts on your body. And here's the cool part. Joint Genesis comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you're not happy with your results, you can get your money back. That means you've got absolutely nothing to lose by giving it a try. If you want to get your hands on Joint Genesis, make sure you click the official website link in the description below. You're going to be making a safe purchase and be able to enjoy the benefits of improved joint health and mobility. Thanks for watching, and I hope this info helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget, if you want to get started with Joint Genesis, the link is right below. Have a great day, and see you next time. Bye.